Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As I've mentioned in the teaser, everything in the car has been repaired. Today I've brought the car jack with me, so let's quickly jack up the car and see what's happened underneath. So there's obviously been a lot of differences or a lot of changes to the car. If you remember correctly, or well, just look at the photo, you can see that this side, the left side, was in a very bad shape. Everything was rusted up, so it was time to have it sorted out properly. And as you can see, everything looks very fine now. Here in the back you can see the brake line. It's been changed to a new one because the other one corroded away. Here in the back the springs have been changed. The wire from the handbrake didn't need changing, so that's the old one, because the problem was here, the handbrake was stuck. So I was basically mostly driving around with a stuck handbrake. Clearly that's nothing good. The gearbox, as I've mentioned before, is a reconditioned one, and I hope that the reconditioning process was done thoroughly and I won't be having any problems anytime soon. So fingers crossed there, but for now it works. Here the right side, it hasn't been in a as bad a condition as the left side, but still needed some fixing, and it looks absolutely fine now. Here again in the back the spring has been changed. And as mentioned in the previous video, the front of the car, or basically the underbody of the car, is in a very good shape. Everything is dry. There's no corrosion underneath anything, as I've checked, and I'm hopeful and I'm looking forward to driving the car for the next 2 years, and nothing will come up, no corrosion, no technical issues, especially here in the back. But I'm very positive that nothing will happen to the car. Well, that's everything that's been done to the car. I really thought this video is going to be a little bit longer, but clearly there's only so much that I can talk about what's been done to the car. Obviously nothing major, just some things here, some things there. And as I've mentioned in 1 or 2 videos before, it would be sufficient enough if you're some kind of a gifted mechanic or have your own workshop. But unfortunately, I'm neither a gifted mechanic nor have I my own workshop, so I have to rely on other people. And in this case, I'm really glad that a friend of mine told me about this mechanic, because the work he has done was very thorough. He called me if he had some questions, and I'm really thankful for that. Not every mechanic will call you. They will just do what they do and maybe do something wrong. So a call if there's a question is always good. So there's trust there. And as I've mentioned before as well, I've now just only done the back of the car. The front of the car will have to be repaired in the upcoming months. Right now I have to save up money, but I will gladly give the car again to the same mechanic. My technical inspection is coming up in November or December, and although there have never been any major problems with the car over the years, there's always been some slight problems that I had to fix. Otherwise they would have become major problems in probably the next year or so. So my goal, my target for this year is to have the car checked without any problems. But that's a topic for another video, so I don't want to be rambling on right here. I really thank you for your attention. If you like this video, thumbs it up and comment something. Share it with your friends, family, everyone who is interested in classic cars, old-timers, or Fiat 126P in particular. Thank you again for your attention, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.